Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Destination Fulltime. I'm Jason. I'm here with Julie and Katelyn. Yes, Katelyn has been on our channel many times, and she has done it again. So I'm going to jump over to Julie because Julie's with Katelyn, and she's going to tell us why she has a new RV. Yeah, I said it again, a new RV. We're going to take a quick tour, and she's going to tell you and explain why she's changed from her ginormous Montana fifth wheel to this, and I don't even know what this is, but Katelyn does.
I'm here with Katelyn, who has her fourth RV in 5 years.
A lot of changes, yes.
She's going to tell us why she chose this RV. What RV is this? And tell us all about it.
This is a 2026 Thor Axis 26.2. And this was actually purchased with the intent of just traveling in it. And then I fell in love with it and I decided I would sell my fifth wheel and live in it permanently. So that's what I have done. So I've downsized once again. And now I have one RV. So you were going to
have the fifth wheel, stay in the fifth wheel long term, but just travel on trips in this. That was your plan.
Yes, this was going to be like the girls' travel RV. So it is basically configured for people to travel with me. It has the twin beds in the back. We have the sofa that folds out into a sleeper sofa, and then we've got the overhead bunk. So we could sleep 4 girls, 4 travelers in the RV.
So you're saying this is a girls' weekend rig.
This is a girls' weekend rig, but it's not my home.
I love it. But you decided you got it for the girls' weekends and you loved it. And you decided, why would I want to be a bougie RVer? That's what I call an RVer that has 2 RVs. She's been a bougie RVer now for a while.
A couple of years.
Yeah. So you decided not to do that anymore and you just wanted one.
Yes. And I am so happy with my decision. I love this RV.
You want to know what's really funny? So guess who bought her RV? Her neighbor. You see it? Her neighbor bought her RV.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the shortest move ever. But her neighbor loved her RV so much that they bought the RV so that she could just live in her even tinier home.
Yes. So if I get homesick, all I have to do is look next door and there it is.
Look out the window until they leave, right?
Until they leave. And then
so what kind of traveling do you plan to do in this?
Next year, I'm actually going to go across Canada. I'm going to go to Banff and Jasper and travel up there. I'm planning probably to go to Colorado. So I have a couple of trips. Later this fall, I'm going to New Mexico for the Balloon Festival. So I have a few trips planned.
But
already.
Other than that, you have an annual spot that
I live in. I live in the Great Keystone Heights RV Resort, which I love. So I have my spot here at all times, and then I can just travel whenever I want.
And she stays very active here with all the activities.
Yes.
It's very hard to get her on the phone because she's always on the go.
But I love it. It's a great life. I love full-time RVing.
So you wouldn't change the lifestyle. You just like changing the RVs every now and then.
Apparently, but I think I have settled into the perfect RV for me.
Okay, you heard that. And we are in July of 2026. And she said she's settled. So we're going to see how quick it takes her to get a new one again. I think we should bet money this time.
Yeah, no. After everything you have to do to get this like really road ready for everything, I'll be in this for a very long time.
We'll see about that.
I hope you enjoy the tour of my new home, and
Be sure like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And until next time, we hope you find your next
destination.
Thanks for watching.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Fulltime.